Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 9th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Libra. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your love related matter, your foreign travel related matter is seen from ninth house, long distance travel is seen from ninth house, your higher education, your post-grad education is also seen from ninth house. So right now ninth house Lord is moving in the house of gains because 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house. Either it is the money matters or your achievements in life is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. Your elder siblings, your PR, your network circle and professional network circle is also seen from 11th house. So right now, 9th house Lord is moving in your 11th house. So we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter in the month of November. Also, we can expect good result regarding the achievement in your workplace because your 10th house Lord is right now moving in the house of achievement, in the house of gains with your 9th house Lord. And 9th house also deal with your luck related matter. So we can expect these results from Sun till 17th of November. After 17th of November, when Sun will move to your 12th house, then you need to be take care of your father's health because your 9th house Lord also deal with your father and 12th house also deal with the hospitalization. Also, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter. If you want to travel somewhere in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Mercury controls your 10th house and your 7th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Libra. 7th house deal with your marriage, your spouse is seen from 7th house, your business partnership is seen from 7th house, your legal bindings is also seen from 7th house, your how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others also seen from 7th house. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, authority, your fame, how far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. So right now 10th house and 7th house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 7th of November. After 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 12th house, and Mercury will stay in your 12th house till 27th of November. After 27th of November, Mercury will move to your first house in your ascendant in the sign of Sagittarius. So till Mercury is moving in your 11th house, that's why we were saying in some section you will get good result regarding your work related matter as well, because your 10th house Lord is moving in your 11th house in the house of gain, and 11th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. That's why we can expect good results till 7th of November regarding your work related matter, regarding your achievements, regarding your progress in your career. Also, so Mercury controls your 7th house, and 7th house will be your marriage related matter, 7th house will be your business. So right now your business Lord and your marriage Lord is moving in your 11th house, and 11th house considered as most positive house in astrology in regards to gains. So we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. If you are married right now, also we can expect good result regarding your business related matter in the month of November because your 7th house Lord is moving in your 11th house. So we can expect these results till 7th of November. After 7th of November, when Mercury will move to your 12th house, then you need to be take care of your marriage related matter. You may have to face some argument after 7th of November because your 7th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house after 7th of November. And 12th house will be your losses, expenses, isolation, your separation is seen from 12th house, your foreign settlement related is also seen from 12th house. But as we discussed previously in some section, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter because 7th house is also somehow connected to foreign land because 7th house is away from your first house, means it is the opposite to your first house. So it is also considered as house of foreign land. So right now 7th of November, your 7th house Lord will be moving in 12th house, and 12th house also deal with foreign settlement. So we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter after 7th of November, especially after 17th of November when Sun will also move to your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Venus controls your 6th house and your 11th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is already moving. Ketu just moved from your 11th house to 10th house after 30th October 2023. So your 6th house deal with your court cases, your litigation, your arguments, your fight, your competition in life is seen from 6th house. Your hidden enemies is also seen from 6th house. Your daily routines also seen from, and your disease pattern means your acute diseases are also seen from 6th house. So 10th house, as we discussed previously, 11th house will be your games, your finance, your friend circle, your professional circle, and your achievements in life, etc. etc. So right now your 11th house and 6th house lord is moving in your 10th house, but Ketu is also moving in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter because your 10th house lord is moving in the house of achievement. But you may face some difficulty at your workplace slowly but surely because Ketu is moving in your 10th house. Ketu creates separation, Ketu creates detachment, and Ketu is just moved from your 11th house to 10th house. And in the beginning of transit, Ketu gives very intense results. So we can expect somehow you will face some difficulty, confrontation regarding your bosses and your superior at your workplace. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Moon controls your 8th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 8th house, mean its own sign in the sign of Cancer. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of November, and on the basis of 6th November we are predicting for whole month because Moon considered as very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these house. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 5th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Libra. 12th house, as we discussed previously, 12th house deal with your expenses, losses, isolation, foreign settlement related matter, and your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house, etc. etc. 5th house deal with your early education, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your fun activities, your mental abilities, how smart you are is also seen from 5th house. So right now 5th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and from 11th house Mars is expecting its own house. Your 5th house and Jupiter is also moving in your 5th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter, regarding your love relationship, regarding your fiance, girlfriend, boyfriend related matter, because your 5th house Lord is, because right now your 5th house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and 11th is considered as house of gain, and from house of gain your 5th house Lord expecting its own house, and Jupiter is also moving there. So we can expect good result regarding your pregnancy related matter. If you are a female and want to conceive in the month of November, also we can expect good result regarding your pregnancy related matter. Mars will stay in your 11th house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will also move to your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio. Then, discussed previously in Sun section and Mercury section, if you want to travel somewhere, if you want to move from your birthplace to some different country for travel purpose, for trip purpose, then we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, as we discussed previously in Mercury and Sun section. So, but you need to be take care of your expenses and losses after 17th of November, because your 12th house Lord will be in a strong position, and 12th house deal with your expenses and losses. You need to also take care of your expenses and losses in the month of November. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of November. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of November. First of all, Sun is right now moving in your 11th house, but after 17th of November, Sun will move to your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio. Second major astrological event is that Saturn is right now moving in your 3rd house, and Saturn is right now moving in its retrograde motion, but Saturn will turn into its direct motion after 3rd November 2023 in your 3rd house. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 11th house in the sign of Libra. But after 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will move to your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 11th house. Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 7th of November. After 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 12th house, and Mercury will stay in your 12th house till 27th of November. After 27th of November, Mercury will move to your first house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fifth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 10th house, and Venus is just moved on 3rd November 2023 from your 9th house to your 10th house. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of November 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.